In today's video, we're looking into the fascinating world of manifestation using mirrors. Mirrors are not only tools for checking our appearance, but can also serve as powerful allies in reflecting our innermost desires and intentions. By understanding how to interact with our reflections, we can open up the potential to shape our reality and bring our deepest aspirations to life. Let's explore how this simple everyday object can become a key player in achieving personal goals and transforming our lives. Let's start by exploring the mirror as a metaphor. In many cultures, mirrors are not only tools for personal grooming, but also hold significant spiritual and mystical importance. They are believed to reflect more than physical appearances. They echo our emotions, thoughts, and sometimes even the deeper layers of our subconscious mind. This makes mirrors a unique tool for self-examination and personal growth. When we look into a mirror, we don't just see ourselves, we confront everything that we are and everything we aspire to be. But why is this reflection so powerful? It's because mirrors can show us both our present state and our potential. They don't lie, they show things as they are, which can be a powerful motivator for change and manifestation. By using a mirror for daily affirmations and reflections, you can create a focused, positive energy that helps bring your manifestations into reality. Let's explore the historical and cultural significance of mirrors in spiritual practices. Throughout history, mirrors have been used in various rituals and ceremonies to explore the unknown and the unseen. They were considered portals to other dimensions and were used to gain hidden knowledge, seek truth, and connect with higher spiritual energies. This historical backdrop isn't just fascinating, it adds a layer of depth to how we can perceive mirrors today, not just as objects, but as gateways to understanding our own energies and how we can align them with our life goals. By accepting the reflective power of mirrors, we can harness them as tools, not just for self-reflection, but for manifesting what we truly desire. In the next part of this video, we will explore how to prepare ourselves mentally and emotionally every day to maximize the potential of what we can manifest through our reflections. Stay tuned and let's unlock the secrets of using mirrors to reflect our deepest desires and turn them into reality. One of the foundational steps in manifestation is achieving a mindset of clarity and purpose. When you stand in front of a mirror, it's essential to clear your mind of the day's clutter and any negative thoughts that might cloud your intentions. This clarity helps you focus solely on your goals and the positive affirmations that you will be using. A clear mind reflects clear intentions, and mirrors can help amplify this clarity back to you, reinforcing your focus and dedication to your goals. To achieve this, begin each session by taking deep breaths to center yourself. Let go of any distracting thoughts or worries just for this moment. Think of it as mentally cleaning your mirror before you start. This not only helps in sharpening your focus, but also aligns your emotional state with your objectives, setting a solid foundation for the affirmations that follow. Your emotional state plays a significant role in manifestation. The emotions we feel can act as powerful magnets, attracting circumstances that resonate with those feelings. And therefore, maintaining a positive emotional state is crucial when you are in front of the mirror. Begin by feeling hopeful and positive about your desires. If you approach your reflection with doubt or negativity, that is what will reflect back. But if you approach with positivity and confidence, you are more likely to attract those energies into your life. Always remember, the mirror reflects not just your physical appearance, but also the vibes you emit. If you look in the mirror and see someone who is optimistic and ready to embrace all the good that life has to offer, you reinforce those feelings within yourself, and the universe takes note. Morning is a powerful time for setting the tone of your day. Utilize your morning mirror time by practicing affirmations. Stand in front of the mirror and speak directly to your reflection. Affirm your strengths, your worth, and your ability to achieve what you desire. Use simple positive statements like, I am capable of achieving great things, or today I attract abundance and happiness. Speaking these words while looking into your own eyes can deeply embed these beliefs in your mind, making them more potent. Visualization is another powerful tool to use with your mirror. While maintaining eye contact with your reflection, vividly imagine achieving your goals. See yourself living the life you desire. Feel the emotions that come with that life: joy, satisfaction, peace. This practice not only boosts your emotional state, but also sends a strong signal to the universe about your intentions. The mirror helps in solidifying the image of your success as something real and attainable. End your day with a reflection on what you are grateful for, doing this in front of the mirror. This not only helps in developing a habit of appreciation, but also shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. Expressing gratitude can change your vibration, attracting more positivity into your life. While looking into your own eyes, acknowledge the good in your life, thank the universe for it, and reinforce your belief in your power to manifest even more. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you utilize the mirror not just as a tool for reflection, but as a powerful ally in manifesting your desires. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more on how to recognize signs and deepen your manifestation practices using mirrors. Now that we've discussed how to prepare yourself for manifestation and the daily practices that can enhance your ability to manifest, let's move forward and we'll explore how to recognize the signs in your mirror that indicate your manifestations are on the way, and what common obstacles you might face and how to overcome them. As you become more accustomed to using your mirror for manifestation practices, you may begin to notice subtle signs. These aren't just random observations, they are indicators that your energy and intentions are aligning with your desires. Signs can vary widely. You might notice a sudden glow in your complexion or a sparkle in your eyes that wasn't there before, subtle cues that reflect your inner positivity and alignment with your manifesting goals. It's also possible to perceive more direct signs through your reflection. For instance, if you've been focusing on bringing more peace into your life, you might start to see a more relaxed demeanor in your mirror image. These changes are reflections of the internal transformations that your practices are helping to foster. Pay attention to how your reflection changes day by day and how these changes correlate with your thoughts and feelings. To effectively track these changes and signs, start keeping a journal. After each mirror session, take a few moments to write down what you observed, how you felt, and any thoughts that came to mind. This practice isn't just about recording what you see, it's about recognizing patterns and connections between your manifestations and your reflections. Over time, your journal will become a valuable tool in understanding how your mirror interactions influence your manifestations and help you adjust your practices as needed. While the practice of using mirrors for manifestation can be powerful, it's not without its challenges. Doubt and skepticism are common hurdles. Sometimes looking into the mirror and saying affirmations might feel silly or ineffective. It's normal to experience these feelings, especially in the beginning. Another common obstacle is impatience. Manifestations don't always occur overnight. They can take time to materialize, and waiting for signs can be frustrating. And the key to overcoming these challenges is consistency. Manifestation requires a commitment to your practices, even when they seem to be yielding no immediate results. Keep engaging with your affirmations and visualizations daily. Remember, each session builds upon the last, so even if you don't see instant changes, know that each step is moving you closer to your goals. Consistency helps in building a habit, and as this habit strengthens, so too does your belief in the process. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Similarly, the more consistently you practice your mirror manifestations, the more natural they will feel and the more effective they will become. By maintaining a regular practice and keeping track of your progress through journaling, you are setting yourself up for success. Overcoming doubt and impatience with steadfast dedication will not only enhance your manifestation abilities, but also deepen your connection with yourself. As we continue our exploration of using mirrors for manifestation, let's look into more sophisticated techniques that can amplify your practice and the shared experiences of others who have successfully harnessed the power of their reflections. Again, this not only provides additional strategies for you to try, but also offers encouragement from the real-life impacts of these practices. One way to enhance your mirror work is to incorporate meditation into your sessions. Meditating in front of the mirror allows for a deeper connection with your inner self. Begin by finding a comfortable position where you can see your entire face clearly in the mirror. Focus on your reflection and allow your gaze to soften. As you enter a meditative state, use your reflection to anchor your thoughts, helping to keep your mind from wandering. This practice can create a powerful emotional and energetic link between your visualizations and your physical presence, intensifying the manifestation process. Another advanced technique involves the use of crystals. Crystals like clear quartz, known for its amplifying effects, or citrine, associated with abundance, can be placed near the mirror to enhance the energy of your manifestations. Each crystal has its unique properties that can support various aspects of your life, from boosting creativity to fostering love. When you combine crystal energies with mirror work, you create a potent environment for your intentions to flourish. Integrating specific colors and symbols into your mirror space can also be beneficial. Colors like green for growth, blue for calmness, and gold for success can be used as backgrounds or incorporated into clothing or accessories you wear during your sessions. Symbols such as the infinity sign for endless possibilities or a heart for love can be drawn on the mirror with washable markers. These visual elements act as cues, reinforcing your intentions every time you see them in your reflection. Mirror work is a versatile and potent practice for manifesting your deepest desires. Whether you're just beginning or looking to deepen your existing practices, the techniques discussed today can help enhance your journey. Remember, the mirror reflects not only your physical appearance, but your innermost thoughts and energies. By aligning these with your intentions, you set a powerful process in motion that can transform your life. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on how to effectively utilize mirror work for manifestation. And as always, we encourage you to share your experiences and progress with this transformative practice. Your story could be the next one that inspires others to start on their own journey of reflection and manifestation. Thank you for watching, and continue to reflect positivity and purpose in every aspect of your life.